We are going to look at another 4x4.
Four-wheeling again, four-wheeling Amy.
Yeah, four-wheeling again. Another Toyota. This time it's not an FJ Cruiser.
No, something with four doors that all go and operate in the same way.
Yeah.
It is a, what is it?
It's a Toyota Sequoia.
2005.
It has lower miles than the...
120,000 miles or so.
Yeah, which is really good.
So what's great is this guy watches our YouTube channel. And what did he do?
Yeah, he reached out and he saw that we were looking for a 4x4 type vehicle, and yeah, he's going to put his car for sale soon. So offered for us to come take a look at it.
Yeah. So we'll go take a look. It's, was it white?
It's white.
Yeah.
And yeah, it'll have more room. We're used to.
More room, and I did some research. Again, super dependable engine, not the same as what's in, this is the SC430. It's a 4.7, but it is a V8. Yeah. The FJ has a 6. Yeah. Has lots of room. Like the back seat has lots of room.
Yeah, I like that.
And beyond that, lots of room. From what I could see, it's like 200 inches long or more, just short of an Expedition from the same era. Yeah. So it's a big one, right?
It's a big one.
It's a big vehicle. It's got a higher clearance, it looks like, than the standard FJ Cruiser. I know people lift the FJ, but the one we looked at wasn't lifted. Mm-hmm. And so it is an interesting checkout because, one, what a great idea. This guy saw it, and maybe we'll like it. I have never looked at a Sequoia before.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize that they made them back as far back as 2001, I think was the first generation. And that's what this is. 2005 went through a slight upgrade and some cosmetic stuff. I don't know what trim this is, and we'll find out in checking out Sequoias. We know one thing, and that is that they last a long time. It seems like almost all Toyotas from that vintage do. So,
yeah. Can't go wrong with that.
You know what? I got a feeling it's just the golden age of Toyota when you're looking for longevity. The 2000s up until 2010, or people can decide when.
Yeah.
Maybe if it's still now, but for sure the vehicles from that time just last and last and last. As we are in a vehicle with 166,000 miles in it.
Yep.
Is 20 years old and is running just fine.
No problems.
Yeah, no problems.
Yeah.
All right, we'll let you know when we get there.
I'll let you know.
All right, we're closing in on where the car, SUV is, the Sequoia, and I think I see it. Do you see it?
No, not yet.
Not yet, no. Oh, I bet you that's it right there. I gotta say, this is like the nicest looking 2005 I've ever seen. This is amazing. Yeah, take a look in the back at all the room. Wow. I want to say it's near Showroom.
Yeah, for an 05, it's crazy.
It is.
Yeah, it was just a family hauler for them. Nothing, they never put it through the dirt or anything like that.
Right, they never went four-wheeling.
No.
Oh my goodness, let's open up the back. Is it just like this?
Yeah, it's unlocked.
There's so much space in the back.
Oh, wait until you see this. In that third row. Wow.
That's fine for groceries.
Yeah, and it's easy to do this.
Yeah, oh, it's so much
Oh
fun.
my goodness.
Like the seats are wide.
Yeah, that's removable.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I've seen them. You can put them down or you can just take them out completely. And like, well, it's got a hitch. I know they're not great for pulling, but so what? They even got the carpet in there.
I think 7,000 pounds, something like that.
Yeah, good enough for a small trailer.
Yeah.
Wow.
The back seat.
Okay, back seat time. Can I actually sit back here? I can.
I think it reclines.
Yeah, they do. They recline, don't they? Oh yeah.
See this?
You know what, Aim? You're driving. I'm a king. Oh, look at this. You can put.
You can watch a movie. That's so
Okay, yeah, SR5.
I love it.
Reed, I think you'd like this.
Oh,
all right.
Nice.
Wow.
It's in mint shade.
Better than the FJ?
Oh yeah, I would so buy this. Yes.
This may be the nicest 2005 outside of our SC430
Yeah.
that I've ever seen. Okay, we have to know. Is that they have heated seats too in the back?
Looks like
Or if that, or maybe not. Maybe that's just not heated seats, but you can do your own temperature in the back.
temperature, yeah.
All right. Well, that's a great walk around, and that's an amazing car. Look at that. There's no rust anywhere.
No, it's
I love the running boards.